Hey P Squad, welcome back to my channel LB Plans. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Elle and I like to share planning, budgeting, and a little bit of lifestyle. I am a married mom of three, which includes a college student, a teenage son, and a 10-year-old diva. So I've seen a few things. If this interests you, please be so kind to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well. That lets me and YouTube know that I am doing a good job. So today is bittersweet. I am planning the last month in my 2023 Wonderland A5. Yes, I'm excited to jump into my new 2004 planner, but I also like to finish what I started. So although the 2024 planner includes December, I will be repurposing those pages in my 2024 planner. That video should come out sometime in mid-December. I am not rushing because I want it to be right for me. I am using the Simply Gilded Buffalo Plaid Washi tape. To me, it was the only thing that was Christmas, and the washi tapes that I do have, I don't know. This is a printable journaling kit that I found on Etsy from KelAnne Design. I will leave the information in the description box. Like I said, this is so bittersweet because although, the new planner is looking very tempting and Hobonichi kits for the weekly does fit in the 2024 Wonderland unstacked version. I'm just not sure if I want to do functional planning or more decorative planning. So I don't know. Something about Christmas for me, I just like seeing the colors red, black, gold, and white. I don't care for the color green for Christmas. I don't know why. Maybe there's something in my childhood that I forgot about. I don't like seeing it. So I thought it would be a great idea to kind of mimic the colors that I have in my Christmas tree because those are the colors of my Christmas tree. So that's why I chose this sticker kit and this journaling kit. I did print it on the matte white. I'm not gonna lie, I had to print it twice because typically I would like to print on transparent sticker paper, and I had about 7 sheets left. And I thought I wanted to save those for my 2024 planner. So I used this very good quality white sticker paper, but um, I made a whoopsie when I first printed it and I didn't create my own cut lines. I just let it create the cut lines. I was being lazy and I paid for it because those cut lines about drove me insane because it was so rigid. It took forever to get something off the paper. So I literally just stopped and went and got the other one and worked my way and printed it. And it took me about 20 minutes. It didn't even take that long because it cut so much faster because those rigid cut lines were just horrible. So I realized when I was planning, I felt like I needed more red. It just seemed like everything was just so black and white with a little bit of green. I don't know. So I wanted to see more red. So I decided to use the red Crayola Super Tip and kind of highlight the weeks that I'm out of school, excuse me, that my kids are out of school, that I am on holiday vacation and just important events. And I kind of like how that turned out. And that's why I'm so perplexed about what I'm going to do in my 2024 planner because one, I need another shade of red. That's the only shade of red that I have. But two, I do like the highlighting, the simple, the functional style, just keep it simple. I just do the decorative to kind of spark joy type thing. Like I do appreciate it, but it's just not necessary all the time. So I don't know. There's just so much to consider. And because I am doing one book for 2024, I don't want to bulk it up where it becomes a pain in the butt to write. You'll see like a couple times I have to grab my writing board what is it called? A pencil board. And then I have a soft pencil board, and I kind of stack both of those to kind of work on the pages that are at the end, because when you try to write on the left, it's just so thick, versus on the right, it's so much easier to write on. So I don't know. I'm perplexed. I kind of plan all over the place. I try to remember the important things, but if I don't get them when I'm on that page, it's okay. It'll come back to me, and I will um, figure it out. So the two cups there, I put that on December 8th because that is an anniversary date. So I am off on that day, and I want to put a celebrate sticker. I think I found it after the fact. I just didn't feel like looking through all my sticker books. And that's another thing. Like, the reason why you probably don't use your sticker books, and I'm talking to you because I know you got some that you probably don't use, it takes a lot to go through them to find a sticker. Like, it takes time. Like, you have to really know what your plan is and what you're planning on using. That's why I just kind of go to a kit, because at least ideally everything that I want, and typically everything that I should want, is on that kit, and it should have the coordinating color scheme or whatever. I don't know. But that's just one of the reasons I realized that I do not go through all of my sticker books, and why my sticker books are practically full. And that's why I won't buy any more right now, just because I don't use them enough. So for my overview page, I decided to, we're going to attempt to watch 31 Christmas movies. So on the right column that I'm putting there in red, it just says Christmas movies. And as we watch them, I am going to list them out. I don't know. There's like a million Christmas movies out there right now. And I thought it would be a great idea to like watch maybe one a day, or sometimes two a day with my family. I don't know. This is the season, right? Between Hallmark and what is it, Amazon Prime and Netflix, like Hulu and all those subscriptions, there are a million holiday movies. And what's the favorite? Hallmark. Oh my God, Hallmark has really great movies. So that's what I'm doing. That I'm going to track all the holiday movies that I'm using. So I went and found one of my sticker books because I realized I had stickers again that actually, said the things that I was writing in, because I'm not a fan of my handwriting. However, for 2024, that is something that I want to be more um, intentional in practicing my handwriting, just because it's just something I felt like I've let go in the past decade because we've typed so much. But I do want to work on my cursive and my manuscript print. Um, it's a little known secret that I have the worst handwriting in my immediate family, between my mom, my brothers, and my sisters. My brother has the most gorgeous handwriting, and I am completely jealous of him. So I will get him to write in my 2024 planner, because why not? That's what big brothers are for. So, ideally, the front page, we're just going to have the to do list to the top and our family meetings at the bottom. Um, I guess because it's the end of the year, it's just easier to keep it simple that way. And then on the December review page, I am going to use that just as a 2023 reflection. Um, Keeping it just as simple as possible. I don't want to get overwhelmed by doing like I've done in several years, like a 6, 7 page question journaling prompt type overview. Nope. I just want to highlight the year. Um, at best, and that's going to be it. So now I'm just trying to use some of the Deco stickers that I have, because they have so many of them. Because like I said, the kit printed twice. I had to print one of the kits twice. I really love the black though, but without the red, it doesn't feel like Christmas. So I gotta have it both on there. And this is basically it. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below. I will put in the description box the kit information from Etsy. I don't think Simply Gilded sells this washi anymore, but I'm pretty sure she has other options that are just as fabulous. And thank you guys for rocking with me. I hope that the end of this year is beautiful and it gives you everything that you're looking for. I'm pretty sure I did not tell you guys about the vellum. I created it on Canva. I just wanted some coffee mugs with hot cocoa, and that's what I used. Until my next video, you guys take care. Bye.